Hi everyone, now I'm demonstrating real-time temperature and humidity monitoring using Raspberry Pi. In order to monitor temperature and humidity, I'm using DHT22 sensor and I've interfaced it to the Raspberry Pi as you can see here. The DHT22 has 3 pin, positive, negative and out. Positive is connected to the 5V supply from the Raspberry Pi and the ground pin is connected to the negative of the DHT22 sensor. The data pin is connected to GPIO4, which is also a pin number 7 with respect to board. Once the data is being read, it needs to be displayed somewhere in the cloud. So I am using initial state website which helps me to view the real as well as the historical data. I've created the account there and using the access key that I will be generating once I create the account, I have associated the data that I am capturing from the DHT22 sensor. So that can be displayed in the website like this. As you can see here, I have used a thermostat gadget to indicate the temperature value and a arc gauge gadget to represent the humidity value. Humidity is displayed in percentage whereas temperature is in degree centigrade. As of now, the room temperature is 30 degree and the humidity is 68.40%. From this website, it is also possible to trigger the alerts based on the set value. So that can be set and the alert can be either in the form of email or SMS. The data rate at which it is being captured is 1 minute once. I mean to say each minute there will be new data that is being sent to the website and that will be displayed. The screen will be refreshed as well every minute once. See, as you can see here, the data got refreshed. Now the temperature has dropped to 29.8 degrees centigrade and the humidity is 71.50. I will show you one example trigger that I have already got, example alert mail. So this will be the form in which the alert will be sent to the email address that is configured. This completes the demonstration of this real-time temperature and humidity monitoring. Thank you for watching.